Today I had to cook. I just came from one of my jobs and now I had to cook. Now I'm here doing some cooking. Some rice. Here doing some cooking. Not like I'm gonna eat all that food. It's just my friend called me today when I was at work and she's going through something really horrible. So I said, I gotta cook because anyway I had to cook. I said, don't cook and come to my house and we can have some food together. So I'm cooking and she likes rice, but she makes the rice better than me. I usually make the rice so. But today I'm gonna do my best because my friend only eats good rice, apparently. I eat any rice because I love rice anyway. The food is almost ready. Today we don't do diet. Today I had to eat rice. Oh, it's almost done. Here's the meat. Now we're gonna eat. Let me show you what I cook. My friend, I cannot mention my friend's name for privacy. How is the food?
Delicious.
Now we are gonna eat. My dear friend.
Delicious.
Alright, now I have to stop recording. I have to pay attention to my friend. And by the way, when you have a friend that is broken hearted, just make it a good food, a lot of rice, especially if it's Wednesday. Wednesday, no diet. Wednesday, what do we do? When we eat. So now time to eat. Sorry, I had to stop recording. Bye.